Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So I'm here on the daily time frame, and I mean, what can I say? Solana is currently still holding our support area between $61.98 and $89.65. This is the support area. Honestly, it's been on the chart for many months. The market the market finally tested it last week. Specifically in this support area, the $81 level was highlighted as first target, or ideal target rather, for the C wave in the orange scenario, because what we were tracking was here an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And the C wave should normally reach the area around the 100% Fibonacci extension. In this case, $81.50, sometimes a little lower. Yeah, $62 certainly was another ideal target there. Bit lower, obviously. We nearly got there. No need to get there, but we could. Okay, we could. Please note that below $62, this wave 4 pullback is a bit too deep to really be classed as a wave 4. Then we would need to think about other scenarios. Well, we've got them on the chart already. The white count. In the white count, we already completed a larger degree 5-wave move. Instead of only 3 waves, as in the orange count, and then we had an A wave down, B wave up, a C wave down. This gives me a large ABC structure in which the B wave then could reach the area between $141.50 and $249.90. And either way, whether we talk about the white count or the orange count, higher prices from here still seem likely. All right? It's very important to understand. Sorry, especially after the sell-off and the market was so oversold, a bounce, at least in the B wave, appears likely. It's not guaranteed, of course, yeah, but it seems likely. So what we are currently focusing on, what we're currently tracking is, can the market actually give us a rally in this B wave at least, okay? I mean, there's no guarantee for a B wave rally, I gotta say. Don't have to go higher. We could get a lower low first, but it's likely. Okay, we can only talk about what is normal, what is likely in these scenarios. In addition to that, I'm tracking here the last swing high at around $148, which is also around the 50% retracement, and the 61.8 retracement. I track these levels as next targets and resistances. I mean, if the market moves up in 5th wave, we should pass that level. We should cross that level. If we're moving up just in the B wave, that's fine as well. Yeah, we should get there. Bear in mind, B waves are not really good to predict, not easy to predict, but that's what we're tracking at the moment here as potential B wave. Yeah, I mean, I said to you before, it's either a either a 5th wave or a B wave. In both counts, however, we're looking for higher prices. Surely we can always get another low, but the reward to risk ratio is, I think, favorable for the bulls from here. To confirm that move, we want to see a few things. First of all, a break above the red line. This is the August low and was strong support before. Could act as resistance next. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well for Sol. And here on the smaller time frame, the market hasn't really done anything exciting over the weekend. So it's a bit of a non-event weekend. Okay, it was a bit boring, which is not surprising, but I think it's important to recognize we only have 3 waves up so far. I think Bitcoin also only has 3 waves up, but one more high would give me 5 waves on the Bitcoin chart. Here on the Sol chart, ideally, I need to see another push in blue wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. To keep it very simple, we have an upper support area between $82.60 and $84.28. We break below upper micro support, the focus will be on the lower support region between $72 and $78. These are the 2 scenarios the market can follow for higher prices. Either in a 5-wave advance in the blue count, or in the white count in a larger ABC structure. The A wave can be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move, and the only way at the moment to distinguish between these potentials is by tracking upper micro support, because a break below it means this can't be the blue count. So at the moment, the short-term resistances that are relevant are located at $89.20 $93.50 as well as $93.60. And then if we can break above these, the focus will be on the April low at around $96. Yeah, something shifted here. This should be at 96. So that's what I'm tracking at the moment. Yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you are interested in additional updates, if you want to become part of the MCO community, feel free to check out the video on our channel page, which explains the member benefits. Today, we had our member live session during which we covered, like, I think more than 30 coins. You get the recording, plus you get access to member-only videos. For example, Injective was covered today and Virtuals was uploaded yesterday with Link, for example. So you get a lot of additional updates above and beyond what I already cover here on the channel. Plus, you get access to our Discord server if you're a gold member. So if that interests you, if you don't want to miss any updates, if you want to get all the information, check it out. I wish you a great start to the week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.